Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Vendify, where we will tell you about the top vendors that manufacture, supply, resell and sublet vending machines in India. The contact information of all the vendors will be provided in the description box. So let's begin with the video. First of all, let us talk about Sega. Sega is a vending machine manufacturer company that is based out of USA. They have a manufacturing plant in India also, which is located in Bahadurgarh, Haryana. Sega is very famous in making vending machines. They only deal in coil-based vending machines. The coil-based vending machines come in different sizes. But let me tell you one thing, they don't make elevator-based vending machines. They also manufacture coolers, which are fridge-type machines for Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Their machines are mostly manufactured in India only and then supplied to all over the world, and of course in India too. Sega is well known for their quality as they are in business for last 3 decades. The quality of their machine is so amazing that their basic vending machine weighs around 300 kilograms, which is a lot of weight. So you can have an idea about how good the quality of the machine is. We have given the name and email ID of Mr. Anup in the description box, so you can contact them if you want to buy a vending machine from Sega. Next, let us talk about Vendstop. Vendstop is also a vending machine supplier company that supplies vending machines in India. Basically, they import different parts of vending machines from different countries and then assemble them in-house. It's an Indian company that has manufacturing plant in Gujarat, India. You can have a variety of vending machines of Vendstop. They have coil-based vending machines, elevator-based vending machines and conveyor-based vending machines as well. Vendstop is an Indian company with 15 years of experience, so you can have trust of their after-sales service. We have given the name and email ID of Mr. Ashish in the description box, so you can contact them if you wish to buy a Vendstop vending machine. TCN is a China-based vending machine manufacturing company. They have a variety of vending machines, be it coil-based, elevator-based or conveyor-based vending machine. They have it all. Any type of hot or cold beverage vending machine is also available with TCN. TCN machines are famous for their cheap cost. They make very affordable vending machines. They manufacture vending machines for as low as 1 lakh or even less. Yes, you won't get the best quality, but still the machines are stable. TCN machines are comparatively compact than Sega and Vendstop vending machines. You have to miss out on the extra storage space that is provided in Sega and Vendstop machines, but you get good machines at low price. We have given information of Mr. Jackie. Their email ID is provided in the description box. You can contact them if you wish to directly import a vending machine from TCN from China. If you are looking to start small, instead of importing a machine directly, you can save some hassles related to custom and shipping by getting a machine directly from third-party importers like Vendor. They don't only import machines but also provide their own retrofittings on top of it. If you wish to contact Vendor, we have provided information of Mr. Lakshit and their team in the description box. Frexotic is another such vending machine subletter. They sublet TCN vending machines. If you wish to contact Frexotic, we have provided the contact information of Mr. Swapnil in the description box. Although we have covered most of the major vending machine manufacturers, resellers and subletters, there are some more players in the market who do their own rebranding on top of these machines or some others and sell it with extra cost attached to them. That is the reason we would not recommend you to buy machines from them. Although we would still urge you to do your own research before buying vending machines. So we have covered most of the major vending machine manufacturers, subletters, resellers. Unless you don't want to buy a second-hand vending machines, we would recommend you to buy vending machines directly from these players. There might be some more players in the market who do their own rebranding and sell you vending machine at a higher cost. We would urge you to do your own research before buying vending machines. So we hope that this video has provided some value to you. Our team put a lot of effort to bring such content out to you. So we would request you to like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with as many people as possible. This keeps us motivated. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.